Nearly a month into the ongoing Palestine-Israel conflict, the death toll has surpassed 10,000, making it one of the worst humanitarian crises in this century. The ongoing conflict not only brings catastrophe to civilians, but also sows the seeds of renewed animosity between the two sides.
مش واحد الطرفين للدار نزل كتير كلهم راح كان في يجيلي ولد ما بعد 20 سنة يا ويلي أجل ولد صار اسم الله عليه حلو صار اسم الله عليه يمشي صار اسم الله عليه راح الولد راح توبة وراحت أولاد راح كل جزانا بنعلم أولادنا هيك يصير فينا هيك يا نص مسلم أحمد وينهم هاي بنعلم الأولاد بس يا ابني بس يا ابني بص إنسان بنعلم أولادنا بص إنسان نعلم أولادنا بص إنسان.
On October 7th, Hamas launched a surprise attack on Israel, firing thousands of rockets and infiltrating Israeli territory, while Israel responded with airstrikes, ground operations, and punitive measures that included a siege of the Gaza Strip. The death toll in Gaza surpassed 9,200 on Friday, while over 32,500 were injured, according to the Health Ministry in Gaza. And according to the Israeli Foreign Ministry, around 1,400 people in Israel have been killed.